The drill press is a tool designed for boring holes into a material. The following materials are approved for use on the drill press in the Idea Shop: wood products like MDF or plywood, rigid foam like Pink XPS, acrylic and other plastics, and most soft metals. No hardened steel here, please. When drilling into metal, be sure to use a lubricant. Identify an appropriate bit for your desired hole diameter and material choice. There are several basic bit styles to be aware of. Twist bits. The most common type of drill bit, twist bits are good general-purpose bits for drilling holes into a variety of materials. The tip of the bit cuts the material, while the flutes, or spirals, remove the spent material from the hole and keep the bit straight. Most of the bits in the Idea Shop can be used across many materials. Just be sure to adjust the RPMs, or rotations per minute, accordingly. Spade bits. These are used for making large or deep holes through wood and other soft materials. Forstner bits are specifically designed for making large, clean, flat bottom holes in wood or other soft materials. The Idea Shop has Forstner bits from 1/4 inch up to 2 inches. Hole saws, as the name suggests, are cylindrical shaped saws that are used for making even larger diameter holes in a material. The Idea Shop has hole saws up to 6 inches in diameter. Be sure to keep long hair tied back. Any loose items of clothing like sleeves should be rolled up past the elbows. Don't forget to tuck any scarves or hoodie strings into your shirt. This will all help prevent entanglement in the machine, which could cause an injury. Next, adjust the drilling speed to an RPM that is appropriate for the bit and material in use. The 3 variables required to select RPMs are bit type, bit diameter, and material type. To do this, open the cover on the top of the drill press. Disengage the belt tensioner and adjust the belts according to the chart located on the inside of the top cover. See a staff member for assistance if this is your first time or if you need a refresher. Adjust the bed height to accommodate your material. Loosen the locking screw at the back of the bed and use the crank handle to raise or lower the bed. If you need to put muscle into this step, the bed is not loose. Be sure to tighten the screw after you've adjusted to the final height. Next, place a spoil board on the drill press bed. Load your material on the bed on top of the spoil board. Set the press stops if necessary. After accurately marking the center point of your bore hole, securely fasten your material and spoil board to the milling bed. Ensure the drilling bed and the surrounding work area is clear. Turn on the drill press. Firmly press the bit down into your material, periodically raising the bit up to clear out debris. Continue this up and down pecking motion until you have reached your desired depth, or you've hit the depth stop. Do not attempt to drill an object that is not clamped down. Doing so could result in the material being ripped from your hands and/or flung across the makerspace, hurting others around you. When drilling a material, do not attempt to go through all of the material in one press. Instead, bore down in small increments until reaching the desired depth. After drilling, wait until the bit has stopped completely before reaching for your material. Failure to do so could result in an injury. The angle of the bed can also be adjusted to drill holes at a non-orthogonal angle. See a staff member for help with this. Turn off the machine using the on-off switch. Only after the machine has been turned off, you may remove your card from the Energizer. Clean up your area of any debris. Don't forget your ID.